I'm going to be showing you a little trick, I guess, when you're sealing something right beside something that you're not sealing, and how you can go about that. What works best for me. Using PPG sealer and Envirobase, and that's it. Let's go in the booth and we'll check it out. Oh, I'm using sealer ECS61. Alright, let's go. We got a brand new gate, brand new bumper, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna make sure that we're recording, because now I'm paranoid. We're recording. Brand new gate, brand new bumper, and you could easily put a piece of paper on here and then do it, but just I want to show you that it can be done, and I want to show you how to do it. If you ever have to blend sealer, especially PPG sealer, I'll show you how to do that right now. So for my sealer, because it's been such a great gun for sealer for me, I used to use it for base, then my sealer gun went for crap, it broke, so now I'm using this one, and it freaking works amazing, so I love it. So ever since then, that's it. So I'm going to spray this way, so I want to make sure that I want to get in there, right? This is a Range Rover Evoque that we're doing. And just kind of play around with the trigger. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do the edge. And just play around with the trigger, don't go full trigger. And then you're going to aim it inside. See how I'm turning my gun? Just aiming to the inside. Now we're going to get the 1K Spot Blender by Spraymax. This is the stuff I use, this is what I've always used, and I love it. So what you want to do is you want to look for the wet edge, and it's okay if you go over a little bit, and it's okay if you go over a little bit more. And you basically want to put it on smooth, but not too much that it's going to run. So just enough. You can go a little farther if you want to, because this evaporates fairly quickly. So as you can tell, there's a wet edge there, and I'm just gonna make it wetter and make it disappear. And this stuff works amazing, you see, and it's perfect. This stuff works amazing for blending the sealer, the PPG sealer. All right, so now I'm just gonna continue with the job regularly. And that's it. That was my tip for today, and I hope that's useful to you. All right, peace. I love you. Oh, I forgot to show you. So 10 minutes later, you can tack it normally with no problems. It works really well. I like doing this. It just allows me to go a little bit faster. So now I'm just gonna paint it as normal.